Alright, so I caved. I told myself I am not going to be shopping the Sephora VIB sale this spring. But guess what? One of my lovely subscribers and friends gifted me her friend code. I'm staring at 20% off. And so I went and did some shopping. Yeah, as you're perusing, you're like, do I need that? No, not really. Ooh, but it's 30% off or it's 20% off. And I like shopping. So let me share with you everything I got. I'm filming this Saturday, April the 13th. I'm going to hopefully try to get it edited and uploaded on a Sunday the 14th, which means hopefully if you see it within the first 24 hours, you will have a little time left to shop the sale yourself. Assuming you see something that you're like, ooh, girl, I need or want that in my life. All right, enough rambling. Let me dive in. And yeah, did I order this a week ago? Do I already kind of forget everything I picked up? Yes. Have we met? By the way, if anyone's new, welcome. I'm WIGO Warrior, aka Julie, and WIGO stands for When You Get Old. All right, I took a peek and I see something that I did not order. So I'm questioning if I got someone else's order or if I got a free oops, they put it in my box by accident type of a product. All right, I poked around a little bit and I'm seeing items I picked up. So I think this is an oops or a very large freebie, which I highly doubt. Let me show that product with you. So this here is from CAUDALIE. That's what caught my eye because CAUDALIE's expensive and I didn't order anything from CAUDALIE. So this is the Vinoperfect Brightening Eye Cream. What the heck? How did this end up in my haul? So that is what it looks like. Hold on, let me see if there's a packing slip or a receipt. I want to make sure they didn't charge me for that. No, there wasn't anything in the box. I need to go into my email or log into Sephora, and if they did charge me, something will float on screen. Also, I'll find a fancy sticker indicating, yay, I got an accidental free product. All right, on to what I actually ordered. So this here is from Makeup by Mario, and this is the Master Pigment Pro Pencil. Do I already own 8 million black gel eyeliners? Yes, I do. Am I still on the hunt for one that works good on me? Yes. That is really long. Why are there caps on both ends? Did I do any research? No. Did I browse into makeup and then go into liners and then filter by top rated? Yep. This was like the second or the third one. Okay, so that's a gel eyeliner. And okay, interesting. It has a little brush. Oh, that's really soft. I thought it was going to be like a stiff brush. I don't wear gel eyeliners on the outside. I use them for my waterline. So because it has a brush, now I'm questioning if it's going to stay. But hey, I own it and I have enjoyed products from Makeup by Mario so far. So I will love giving that one a try. When shopping on Sephora, I always check to see if they have any good like duos or sets or collections because that's where you get your good value. I also check to see if any of the bougier brands have any minis. So this next product falls into that category, and that is from Tower 28. This here is the Lip and Shine Lip Kit where you get a lip liner and a lip gloss. Am I into lip liners? No. But I've been wanting to try a lip product from Tower 28. I don't know. I saw the little kit. It looked adorable. The shade of the lip looked like something I would wear, although in person it's a little darker than I would wear. But guess what? We're going to swatch it. Hopefully it shears out. Oh yes, it shears out. All right, so here is the lip liner. Here is the lip color. That is very shiny and looks like something I am going to love and enjoy. You are going to see a lot of lip products in this haul. So this is from Fenty and it is the Gloss Balm in the shade Sweetmouth. So at one point in my life, I owned this. I still own it somewhere. I can't find it and I've been wanting to use it. And so I thought, 20% off. Let's snatch it. Now watch, because I have a second one, I'm going to find the first one. Just you watch. But that's not a bad thing. So if you have never seen this, it has like a larger doe foot. What does it smell like? Ooh, it's not sweet. It's fruity, and I prefer fruity. All right, so it's very sheer. It's right there. Ooh, super glossy. Yes. Why am I going to try this on when I have so many other lip products? Because, hello, it's gorgeous. Not sticky at all. All right, what else did I get? This here is a bougie brand mini, and I couldn't resist. This is from Hourglass, and this is the Ambient Diffused Bronze Light. Do I have an obsession lately with bronzers? Yes. Oh, she's tiny. All right, it comes with a mirror, and this is the standard Hourglass packaging. You have the marbled effect. Interesting how it seems to have more white than brown. Ooh, she's tiny, a little pricey, even for that tiny one, but that is milled so finely. It's way lighter than I thought. Where can I put that? All right, so we kind of go into that browner section. It is right there. Can you see it? Okay. Now, I'm fair, but that looks like it's probably going to be a little too light. But I'm happy I own it, even if it's a mini, because I will never hit pan on that. I'm telling you that right now. All right, next, can you tell just from the box that this is something from Natasha Denona? I love how protective her packaging is. It's very streamlined, clean, but the inner packaging is gorgeous. I love that she has this outer packaging. So this is the My Mini Dream Glow Blush. Do I already own a lot of blushes? Yes, which is why I felt I couldn't buy a full-size blush, but that didn't stop me from picking up a mini here. Let's see what this color story is all about. That doesn't matter. It's from Natasha Denona, and OMG, this packaging is adorable. It's that, what do you call it, soft kind of, I don't know. It's the same packaging as her full-size $68 eyeshadow palettes, but in mini form. It even comes with a mirror. And would you take a look? Those are just beautiful. Yes, I'm going to have so much fun doing a try-on. Let's just do a little swirl. Ooh, those are shiny. I don't want to say shiny. Glittery. I just accidentally swiped it on top of that Ambient Hourglass bronzer. Okay, so up here, that is more like, I don't know, my swatching is running out of room. That looks like it's going to be more of a blush topper unless I really focus on this end. This end is definitely shimmery. I love a good glow, so I'm fine with that. All right, the next product I have been hearing about for a while now. This here is from Summer Fridays, and it's the Lip Butter Balm. What shade did I get this in? I don't know. I'm not seeing it on the packaging. I'm certain, based off of the box color and knowing myself, it's going to be some kind of a pink. Oh, would you look at that? It is pink. So supposedly this is like a really, really, really good lip balm. Okay, so it comes with an interesting, it's clear, kind of curved in, but it's a slant with a curve in. Let's do a little squirt and get some to see if it has a nice scent. Let me know if you've tried that. All right, can you see it? It's right there. All right, it's the type where it's pink, but isn't going to be necessarily pink on your lips. I have too many lip products to give this a try, but I will be using it in a future video. And yes, does it have a scent? It does. Kind of sweet, maybe a hint of fruit. It's not quite vanilla cake, but it's definitely sweet. Leave me a comment. Let me know if you've tried that or if you've heard how fantastic it is. So once I had that 20% off VIB friend code, I was crossing my fingers that my favorite waterproof mascara makeup remover from Lancome, this guy here, would be on sale, or they would have it. Well, I guess technically they had it. A couple of years ago, it was on both Sephora and Ulta. I think I got it from Ulta. 50% off. These suckers retail for like $52, $54. I don't know. They're pricey. It's really good, but she's pricey. So a couple years ago, I picked up 2 of them. thinking that, oh, next year or next sale, I'll pick it up. But guess what? It hasn't been on that sale since then. And I'm like, why didn't I get 4 or 6 of them? So I'm on the hunt for a more affordable bifocil makeup remover. So I ended up picking up a couple of different products to try in the sale. So what is this one? So bifocil just means there are 2 types. There's something, it could be oil free, it could be like silicone, but there's like a water and either oil or silicone. So you have to like shake it up to kind of get it to mix and activate. I don't want to say activate, but to combine the 2 types of formulas. And what is this? Okay, so this is from Clarens, and it's the Instant Eye Makeup Remover for waterproof and heavy makeup. So I will circle back in a future video and let you know if this works out as I'm hoping. Right now I can't remember how much this cost, but I'm assuming it's cheaper than the one from Lancome. Also, when I was searching through the minis, this product caught my eye, which I've heard really good things about. This is from Clinique, and it's the Take the Day Off Makeup Remover. I've heard about this product for years, but I've never tried it. So I thought, you know what? 20% off. It's a mini. Let's give it a go. This next product is mainly because I'm lazy, and lately I haven't been washing my brushes as much as one should. So this here is from Cinema Secrets, and it's a makeup brush cleanser. I want to say that you don't have to rinse them, or I don't know. Again, it was on sale. I thought I would give it a try. All right, the last 3 products are from the Sephora brand collection. I was influenced from none other than Taylor Wynn. If you follow me, thank you. She often influences me. She was talking about this product here, which are the self-tanning drops. She said that you can mix it in with like a serum, your day cream, your SPF, and that it didn't streak and gave her a nice self-tan. So I thought, you know, 30% off. Let's give this one a try. All right, so this here is another lip product. It's a moisturizing lip balm from the Sephora collection, and it's in the scent coconut, which I love anything coconut. It's taped, so I'm just going to leave it like that because I have a lot of lip products going at the moment. But can you tell? I love lip products. I'm constantly applying something on my lips. All right, the last product is also from the Sephora collection. Can you tell? Did I already mention that I'm into contour bronzers lately? This here is the contour stick from Sephora collection. And what shade? This is in Fair to Light. Yes, I am obsessed with contour sticks. Not wearing a contour stick today, but if you follow me, you know how much I love a good contour stick. So that was everything I got. Now on to the freebie. I see this one here, which is from Denona. This is the Yummy Skin Serum Sisters. Ooh, look at that. You get 6 different shades, and then I'm not sure what's in this pack. Why are they called Sisters? So this is, not Lazy Girl approved. There's a step 1 and a step 2. Whatever. It's a free sample. I'm not seeing the other free sample, but they did inform me that what I picked was like sold out, but not when I was making my selection, like after I already paid. They're like, oh, sorry, sold out. I'm like, but when they emailed me, they said they would give me, I want to say it was like a concealer from possibly Clinique, but I'm wondering, highly doubt it. This is probably a warehouse. Oopsie. I doubt this is a free sample. No. What? How many mLs was that? It's a big box. I'm assuming like 15. Yes, 15 ml. This is going to be full size. Don't know how or why this got in my box. And if I find out that I paid for this, I'm going to be so pissed because I already have 8,000 eye creams. But yeah, if this is an oopsie, ooh, that's a really good oopsie. So for those who are curious, like I always am, I'm going to list everything, the MSRP total, and what I paid. Yeah, let's just say I spent over $200, which when you shop at Sephora isn't that much. I know some folks will spend $500 plus, but when you were like me and said, oh, I don't need anything, I'm not going to shop the sale this year, and then you cough up $200, that's a different story. But leave me a comment and let me know if you've used or tried anything I picked up. Also, let me know, what did you get in the sale this year? Or if you were able to hold out stronger than I was and not buy anything. All right, I want to thank each and every one of you for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. If you haven't done so by now, I would love if you would subscribe. For those who have, thank you so much. Remember to click that bell icon so you can be notified of future videos. And if you could do me a big favor, clicking the thumbs up, it really does help with my channel to grow. All right, thanks everyone.